Do you feel like your room just isn't doing it for you, like it's missing something or it just feels off? Well, it could mean you're missing crap. Yep. Actually, the secret to making pretty much any room feel good is adding crap. But not just any crap. C.r.a.p is an acronym that stands for 4 simple things: curtains, rugs, art, and plants. And today I'm going to explain how you or anyone can use C.r.a.p too to make your space feel so much better to be in. Now yes, design involves a lot more than just these 4 things. Paint matters, proportion matters, lighting matters, scale matters. But then our acronym would be SCULP or clapper. And it just becomes unhinged. So C.r.a.p it is. It's easy to remember, and all jokes aside, it really is a super solid foundation that can help any room that feels boring, flat, or kind of depressing. It's a great place to start. So let's dive in. Okay, so first on the list is curtains. Curtains are insanely important, and not using them is a huge missed opportunity to improve your space. One of the most common ways I see people making their home look kind of worse is by skipping curtains when they actually really could use them. I see this in real estate photos, in homes in my neighborhood, and all over the internet. Seriously, one of the things that can harm the look of a room most is bland window treatments or no window treatments. With windows, you've got light control and privacy to worry about. What I see a lot of people doing is treating windows as a problem to solve rather than an opportunity to improve the room. So people tend to just throw up some blinds and call it a day, and then they wonder why their space doesn't feel that good. It's not that I'm against blinds or that they're inherently bad. It's just that I see blinds as strictly functional, whereas curtains can do so much more than just be functional. You can genuinely have a total train wreck of a space, but if you just add some curtains and you hang them properly, the room can improve almost instantly. That's how powerful they are. A window isn't just glass in a wall. It's one of the biggest visual features in your space. And when it's left bare or covered with something strictly functional, the room can feel a little unfinished or a little boring, sometimes no matter how nice your furniture is. So that's the first thing to try if you feel like your space is lacking something. Put up some curtains. Now I know that not all spaces can accommodate curtains. I do have a video addressing some of those like weirder cases, so I'll link that for you down below. And if you are going to go to the trouble of hanging curtains, please try to do it properly. It makes so much of a difference if they're hung right. And there are some rules, so I do have a video about that as well, which I will also link for you down below. Okay, let's move on. Another element I would never be without in a room, especially if it's feeling a little bad, is a rug. If your room feels weirdly empty or boring or just uncozy, it might be because a rug is missing, especially on hard floors like laminate or tile or hardwood, which can feel cold, echoey, and weirdly temporary without a rug. A rug changes the feel of a room immediately. It makes the space feel warmer, quieter, and more grounded. Even if you can't put your finger on why, your brain registers the room as more settled once there's something soft underfoot. Rugs also make a space feel more intentional. Without one, furniture can feel like it's just placed on top of the floor. With a rug, everything suddenly feels like it belongs together, like the room has been thought through. You don't have to go for anything crazy. Even a fairly neutral or like safe rug will do way more for your space and for the atmosphere of that space than no rug at all. And yes, you can absolutely put rug over carpet. Obviously, carpeted rooms don't feel quite as bare as hard floored rooms do, but a rug still adds definition and a sense of intention, especially in larger spaces where everything can start to feel like it's blurring together. So if your room feels cold or unsettled, or again, like something is just missing, a rug is one of the easiest ways to fix that feeling. Something else that can definitely make a room feel kind of unsettling is if you have completely bare walls. When a space has no art at all, it can start to feel anonymous, like it could belong to anyone or no one. Even if the furniture is nice, the room can feel unfinished in a way that's hard to explain. That's why often art is the thing that finally makes a space feel like yours. Art gives a room personality. It can bring in color, and shape and texture. And it gives the eye somewhere to land, which can make a space feel more complete. One important thing to know about hanging art in your space, especially if you've been hesitant or if you've been feeling stuck, is this: going bigger is usually the better choice. A lot of people go small with art because they're nervous, and then they hang the piece and then the wall still feels empty. It's just that now it has something awkwardly floating in the middle of it. A larger piece, even if you're not 100% sure about it, will usually make the space feel more finished rather than a small piece that you're thinking that you'll replace someday. And if you can't find a single large piece, then grouping multiple small pieces so that they read as one larger group works as well. You also obviously don't need to buy expensive art. Photography is fine, prints are fine, downloadable art is fine, and of course thrift stores are absolutely full of original art. You just have to dig around a little bit. There are genuinely great pieces to be found if you're willing to look. The main thing I want people to hear is this: it is better to have something on your wall than nothing, even if it's not perfect and you change it later. So look around the room that's been bugging you. If the walls are completely empty, that might be part of the reason, at least, why the room still doesn't feel right. Try adding some art and see what happens. So the last piece of crap to add to your space is plants. Plants make a space feel alive. Once you've added curtains, rugs, and art, a room can still feel a little flat if everything in it is just man-made. Plants have the ability to soften that immediately. They add movement and organic shape. Even one plant can change the mood of a space. Now, some of you might be thinking, plants had a moment and I'm kind of over it. And honestly, same. Plants were everywhere, especially during the boho era years ago, hanging from ceilings, trailing off every shelf. At a certain point, it did just kind of feel like too much. But liking plants doesn't mean that you have to turn your home into a 2018 Pinterest board. You don't need 20 of them, and you don't need to make plants your personality. Having 1 or 2 plants is usually enough without it feeling trendy or overdone. A plant can make a room feel calmer and more relaxed, and who doesn't love that? Anyways, I'm curious, do you have your own version of crap? Like a formula or a non-negotiable list of things that you always come back to when a room doesn't feel right? Bonus points if you can come up with another cool acronym. I've linked all my favorite Amazon crap down below, so check it out if you want a shortcut and you don't feel like spiraling over decisions. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you again here very soon.